stock number 2150, a 2018 Buick Enclave Avenir. Front end assembly inspection video. Got a few small issues, but a really good starting spot to your Buick build. Our typical cowl cut through the windshield post and through the floor is down the passenger side fender. It's pretty much hard down the passenger side. Take a look here. Driver's side fender, that is in good shape. It's good to go. Here you got your driver's side headlight. Nice clean headlight. Mount tab is in place. Back mount tab is in place. Front tab is in place. Got your fog light, running lights. Good to go there. Front bumper cover does have the park assist sensors. Got a small sort of gouge scrapes there. And on the lower valance. Chrome. Got a small little spot there, but nothing too major. Well, that's in good shape. The lower grille is nice and complete. That is there. Prop there on the upper grill, the main grill. Some broken pieces there. It does have the front camera. That looks good to go. Some scratches on the chrome. Otherwise, the rest of it is in good shape. Here on the passenger side. Small little gouge in the bumper. Park assist sensor headlight is in good shape. Check all the mount tabs. There. Those all our front ends. It does include cooling, so you got your washer, you got your radiator, condenser, fan assembly. All that is in there. You got under the hood plastics, fender liners, coolant reservoir, washer bottle, AC lines, under hood fuse box. Take a look here at the hood. Shape. Hood. No visible dings, dents, metal damage, nothing like that. It's in good shape, good to go. Striker sits pretty far back on these. This is good to go. Alright. Stock number 2150, 2018 Buick Enclave Avenir front end assembly in stock now.